It's time for your monthly Choose a Photo prediction video. So get ready to hear exactly what you need to know because this month actually brings us into a really powerful year. This is the year of the fire horse. Tons of momentum, tons of surprises, so get ready. And if you're new to my channel, these are some of my most requested, most popular videos because they are insanely accurate. Time and time again, people tell me just how shocked they are, and I am so excited to get started on this month. Now, here's how it works. You choose a photo and I will give you the exact message and prediction that you were meant to hear. Plus, I'll be sharing a specific affirmation and a meditation to use that will really help maximize and amplify your results this month. And before we get into the video, really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. Here on my channel, I pride myself in making manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. I give you the tools you need to get the results you want, and I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Now hit that little thumbs up button below if you are ready to go. Now in just a moment, I'm gonna put up 4 photos up on the screen at the same time, and I want you to pick the one that you're immediately drawn to. Don't overthink it, go with your gut instinct, the first one that catches your eye and draws you in. You don't even have to like the picture. You are going to choose just one. And then once you pick your photo, I'm going to give you the message that you need to hear, give you your prediction for the month, and I'll also share that affirmation and meditation that I mentioned. There are birds going crazy outside my window right now. They must be really excited for the prediction this month. And also, if you enjoy these videos and want to watch all of my other Choose a Photo prediction videos, I'm going to link a playlist in the description box below called the Choose a Photo playlist. There you can kind of binge on through. Now let's get into the 4 photos, and again, just pick one and I will give you your message and prediction based on whichever one you choose. Here they are, and you have just a few seconds. If you chose the first photo of those geometric patterns with the blue and orange, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. If you chose this photo, you might be feeling a bit stuck right now. Kind of like you're at this crossroads that you can't quite explain. And maybe you've had success in the past, or you've had wins, or you've had momentum, but right now it kind of feels like this gray area of a plateau. And no matter how hard you try to break through it, you're just kind of spinning your wheels and staying in the same place. Like you're just kind of running on this inevitable treadmill without a stop button. But here's what I need you to understand. Right now, you are in a process of integration. Even though it doesn't feel like it doesn't feel like you're, in the process of something big, but things are actually coming together for you to have exactly what you want. And a better way to think of it would be all of the opportunities, the people, the places, the circumstances that need to align for your manifestation to come through, right now, they are being set into motion behind the scenes. Even if you can't see it, it's happening right now. And you can't see the physical results yet, you can't see the how or the when, but that doesn't mean that nothing is happening. In fact, it's actually kind of the opposite. Everything is happening. It's all coming together and being orchestrated. And honestly, the best thing you can do right now is to stop trying so hard to force it. Stop trying harder, stop doing more or overthinking it. What you need to do right now is to get quiet, to meditate, to reflect, to create space for the answers and the downloads and the guidance to come through. Because when you're constantly in doing mode and when you're pushing and striving and trying to make things happen, you're actually blocking the guidance that wants to come through for you. The next step that you've been waiting for, it's going to come when you slow down and when you get still. When you let yourself to stop and breathe and lean into this trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should and even better than you imagined or thought it would. So if you chose this photo, your work this month is to dive into the quiet. Explore that quiet space within you that holds all of the knowledge and guidance and answers. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start listening to either the guidance and clarity subliminal or the 2026 New Year meditation. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you more. They will both be linked in the description box below. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing dinosaurs everywhere. And I know that sounds so unbelievably random, dinosaurs, but it could be dinosaur toys, dinosaurs on TV, dinosaurs in a picture, maybe even someone mentioning dinosaurs, dinosaur memes. Watch how often dinosaurs start showing up for you. And if you chose the second photo of those faces, here is the message and prediction that you are meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. There is something on your mind that you are really wanting to change or fix or make different in your life right now. And it's been on your mind and pulling your focus for so long right now. There's something going on that you basically just can't unsee, and you might find yourself obsessing over it. But then every time you think you're ready to make a move or fix it, something stops you and you overthink it, or you hesitate, or you hold back. And then after doing all of that, you convince yourself that it's just not the right time, or that you're not ready yet, or that you need to figure out more before you take action. But here's what I want you to notice. This is a pattern, and patterns don't just happen randomly, they happen for a reason. So I need you to get curious about why you keep doing this. What is it that's actually holding you back? Is it fear? Fear of failure or fear of success? Is it maybe this belief that you're not capable yet or worthy or ready? Or is it a story that you've been telling yourself about what is or isn't possible for you? Because until you can identify the real reason, you're going to keep running into the same wall. You'll keep feeling and thinking like you're ready, and then you'll keep stopping yourself. And in turn, nothing will change. So this month, your work is to figure out why. What is this pattern? Why does this keep happening? Be honest with yourself. Allow yourself to sit with the discomfort of whatever fear or belief is underneath this pattern. Sit with it, make peace with it, figure out where it came from, and then make a choice. Are you going to let it keep running your life, or are you going to acknowledge it, thank it for trying to keep you safe, and to move forward with confidence? Because here's the truth. That thing that you want to change, it's not going to change itself. And waiting until you feel 100% ready is truly just another form of resistance. You will never feel completely ready. There will always be a reason to wait, but you don't need to be ready. You just need to be willing and confident in that willing. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start listening to either the receive and release meditation or the of course it's mine subliminal. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you most. They will both be linked down below. And also start using the affirmation, I am right on time and right where I'm meant to be. I know exactly what to do. And your prediction is that you are going to start seeing rings everywhere. It could be rings on people's fingers, like jewelry. It could be ring images, ring-shaped objects, conversations about rings. Watch how often rings start showing up for you. And if you chose the third photo of that colorful shaped art, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. If you chose this photo, you have a ton of ideas. Things you want to do, things you want to create, things you want to try. It's like this endless list in your mind, but they've been sitting in your head for way too long. You've been thinking about them, dabbling in it, maybe planning them, maybe even talking about them, but you haven't quite fully acted on him. And this year is different. Like I said, this year is about momentum. It's about charging forward. It's about taking imperfect action instead of waiting until you have it all figured out. Because here's what happens when you keep ideas in your head without actually taking action. They lose their energy. You forget about them. And eventually, over time, you kind of stop even believing that it's possible or worth it, or you become uninterested. But when you take action, even small action, it creates momentum, and momentum builds. One step leads to the next step, which leads to the next step. And you don't have to see that whole staircase to take the first step. You just have to take that step, and then the next one will appear. And suddenly, over time, You're in a far better place and a far different place than where you started. But you can't get from here to there without taking the first step. So stop overthinking it. Stop waiting until you feel ready or until you have the perfect plan or until the conditions are ideal, because they never will be. Just start. Pick one focus, one thing you've been wanting to do or accomplish, and take one step toward it this week, not next month, not when you have time, this week. And trust yourself. You already know what to do. You're just waiting for permission. So if you need permission, you know what? Here it is. This is your permission. Go. You've got this. I believe in you. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start listening to either the Manifesting Vortex meditation or the Life Upgrade Activation Subliminal. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you more. They will both be linked down below for you. And if you chose this photo, be sure to start using the affirmation, "Of course I can have this. I always get what I want or better." And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing dolphins everywhere. Again, I know that sounds so random, and it might be real dolphins or pictures of dolphins, or maybe dolphin references or people talking about dolphins. Watch how often dolphins start showing up for you. And if you chose the fourth photo of that red and yellow abstract art, here is the message and prediction that you are meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. If you chose this photo, there might be a relationship with someone or something right now in your life that feels like a struggle. It could be a situation or a romantic relationship or a friendship, a family member, and even maybe a work relationship. But it feels like you are constantly putting in so much effort. You're trying so hard, and yet you keep falling into the same pattern that just makes everything difficult. And here's what I need you to understand. If you're stuck in a pattern with something or someone, it's not just about them. It's about the dynamic. And if this dynamic isn't working, then something has to change. So then the question becomes this: what part of yourself are you bringing forward in this relationship or this situation that's contributing to this struggle? Are you showing up from a place of need or expectation? Are you trying to kind of control everything or control the outcome? Or maybe are you overgiving because you feel like you need to do more, or if you try harder, or you have this thing that you're not worthy of receiving? Or maybe are you making assumptions? Because there's some type of mismatch that's happening somewhere in order for you to keep experiencing the same result. And the only way to find harmony and balance again is to change the approach and change the dynamic. Not change the person, not change the situation, but start with yourself. Shift your perception. Shift your energy, and then watch how this dynamic shifts in response. Because you can't control another person, you can't control the situation, but you can control how you see things and what you bring to the table. And when you change what you bring and how you show up, the relationship changes, the circumstance changes. So if you chose this photo, your work this month is to get honest about your part in this dynamic or the struggle, and to choose to start showing up differently, seeing, feeling, behaving, and believing differently. Because when you're willing to see things differently and from a new perspective, that right there is when you can experience the exact changes that you want to see. You have far more power than you think. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start listening to either the Higher Self Guided Meditation or the Self-Love Self-Concept Meditation. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you most. They will both be linked in the description box below. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start using the affirmation, "It's safe for me to show up fully myself. I am hardwired with everything I need." And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing tigers everywhere. And it could be real tigers or photos of tigers or someone talking about tigers. Watch how often tigers start showing up for you. So those are the 4 photos. Let me know which photo you chose, if it was 1, 2, 3, or 4, and if the message resonated with you. I always love reading and hearing the results from these videos, and I read through pretty much every comment. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.